All right, so I don't have my mic on me because it's here. We're gonna just want to try this. I just downloaded it. I'm about 10 minutes into this VoiceAttack thing. For you alone in your sim hanging out, it seems pretty cool. We're gonna see how well it works. I got it all programmed up. It was super easy. I don't really think I need to make a video on how to do it. Maybe I can give my file out for free and you guys can download VoiceAttack and just use it. I don't even think you need a mic, anything, you know, your computer will pick it up, or you get this mic for like 15 bucks, wireless. So we're gonna try it real quick. I trained my voice a little bit and it learns over time, I guess. So I'll go over the golf stuff, and then, you know, if you guys want, you can look it up. I'm sure there's a ton of videos on how to use it on other things, but this will be kind of for GSPRO. So, all right, 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 left. All right, so you can set the timing of how long it's going to push that button within the software. I just kind of looked at it quick. Again, like I said, I downloaded it 10 minutes ago and then did stuff. So we can try it. Fly over. Fly over. Fly over. Fly over. Aim point. Aim point. Shot cam. Shot cam. Shot cam. So again, it's, maybe I didn't do fly over. Maybe I didn't do that one. Club up. There we go. Club up. Club down. Club down. Okay, so maybe I didn't do that. I just, all right. We'll make sure I did the most important one though. I guess maybe I didn't put the other one on there. So kind of slice that out there a little bit. Yeah, there you go. And we'll try the most important one here. Again, from what I believe, it's over time it knows you. This is kind of cool when you're here, but again, I still prefer, you know, the good old box on the ground and you just hit it when your friends are over. But this seems kind of cool if you want to do something, you know, like a free thing. So let's try this. Mulligan. There we go. All right, that's cool. So we got that. We're gonna slice another one out there. Oh, that's our pull. Yeah. That's what happens when you sit forever. Mulligan. Ha! Right. 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 All right, we'll get another one out there. It'll play, I guess. Not the greatest. You just kind of set golfing up for fun because I thought it'd be something to challenge myself with and building things. Easy to do. I trade on that wall behind you guys, and then I had this for when I was bored. So, and then I just designed golf boxes and stuff for fun. All right, put that out there. That's a stupid tree. Okay. I want to try something once we get out there. I just want to get out there and show you something quick. Come on. Yeah. All right. Now let's just try it. Aim point. Heat map. Heat map. Heat map. Heat map. Alright, aim point. Alright, we're back. I guess I didn't do that one yet. But you can put that all in there. I don't have it in there yet. We're gonna try. Oh. Good thing this isn't a golfing instructional video, huh? Try to golf and teach other stuff. Well, just want to try one more thing. We're gonna see putt. Putt. There we go. So I did do. All right. Club up. Club down. Club down. Club down. Now, with this software too, you could program it to hit I or K a select amount of times. So if you actually wanted, you could say driver, and it would move to the driver. You would just have to make sure that every time, you would have to, in this game software, you just have to make sure that your driver is selected on every single shot, and then you could change it from there. Not that it really matters, you know, what club it is. I like to use club. Let's say you got like a dog leg right or left. You know, I like to, you know, club to my, you know, 6 or 7 and just kind of give me a little bit more, you know, focal point on where I'm gonna, you know, get. If the dog leg is at 170 yards, I'm gonna do like a, you know, my 7-iron or whatever and hit shot cam in order to get over there and see. Otherwise, you know, if it's on a driver, you'll hit like 300 yards out. So. All right, well, yeah, if you want to see more of this, I'm going to play around with it a lot more, but I just figured I'd try to throw this quick video out there as a thing. And again, this is going to learn my voice. I'm still going to use my golf box. I don't know if I'll ever use the VoiceAttack. It seems neat, and it might work when I'm in here, you know, for fun, when I'm by myself and I just want to yell at it, or, you know, cool, like if I can say, you know, the M word. I don't want to say it now. I'm guessing if you have a bunch of dudes over and everyone's hooting and hollering and whatever, you know, it's not going to hear it. So, you know, that's why you get one of these golf boxes. So, all right. Okay, I wanted to try again. I closed out, I reset it and brought it back. Now that it's kind of like learning, I think that's maybe what it was doing. So we're not too much later here, but I think it's listening a little bit better, and I got it on this microphone, so we're gonna try it. Let's shot cam. Shot cam. So apparently you can't just be babbling and then say it. Shot cam. Fly over. Fly over. Fly over. Fly over. It's still learning. Fly over. So, seems to be working. Left. Right. Left. Nice slice. Okay. Shot cam. Heat map. Heat map. shot cam. As you can see, like the quieter it is, the better. I'm guessing as it learns, you can adjust all that too, you know, in your settings. There's a lot of stuff you can do. It's kind of cool. Let's try to get out here. Why is he up? All right. Well, I'm making this video longer, but you guys want to watch me golf and look at my stupid swing. People love this. That's hitting a tree. That wasn't bad. Yeah, people really like making fun of my swing, so the more you gotta watch it, the cooler, huh? Alright, so shot cam. Shot cam. Shot cam. Mulligan. Alright, that's kind of cool. You kind of got to be quiet. You could probably get like a touch microphone that you got to like touch with your club, say your speech, and then let go. It's probably not going to be like listening to all your gobbledygook like I'm sitting here trying to make a video on it and how it works. So it seems to be working really well. And like I said, it's only going to keep learning and learning your voice. That speech recognition is very powerful in Microsoft. Like I said, it's free, and then you get it for $10 if you want to set up multiple profiles, like if you have different softwares. So it seems like if you want to do it yourself, it's kind of cool. Otherwise, I mean, I still like the box version, but just options. Everyone has options. That's what you need. You need options.